Founders always ask me what they need to do to find a problem space like this, and I think Lee's answer is a perfect one. Just go out and talk to customers and they're going to tell you some weird thing that's surprising. In this case, someone told these founders how obvious the idea was and that there wasn't someone doing it. Sometimes that is actually the universe telling you you need to do it.
The long-term vision is that there are 12 million buildings in the United States, and every one of them is wasting a tremendous amount of energy. And by simply changing how those buildings operate with better technology, we can fundamentally make cities more sustainable, healthy, and cleaner places to live. And to put this in context of real world numbers, we're in literally less than 4,000 buildings out of the 12 million already. And last year alone, we took 35,000 cars of carbon output off the road. If we were able to actually run those buildings just a little bit more efficiently, we could take the equivalent of almost half of the cars in the United States off the road simply by operating the existing buildings a little bit more efficiently.